Hi everyone, it's Holly here, back again this week with a quick 5-minute beach wave hair tutorial, updated version on how to create beach waves in under 5 minutes. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my hair just with a bit of heat protection and section it off. I like to just section my hair into half using some heat protectant on my hair. When I wash my hair, I use a leave-in conditioner. That's a heat protectant as well, but I put a bit more on when I'm using an iron directly on my hair. It smells so good, the Moroccan oil protect and prevent spray. I like to brush out my hair just to make sure it's straight, shiny, so that it gets the perfect wave in it. And I love this brush. I just got this one. It's an Australian brand called Happy Hairbrush, and it's really good for blonde damaged hair, but they have ones for thick hair as well. But I really love it because it's a mixed bristle brush and it's like the shape of your head, which just feels really nice. I'm using the Mermade hair cutie iron, which is, I think it's their smallest waver. I really like this one. I especially like it now that I have a more short style. You can actually see the waves. It starts out quite high, the heat 360. I do mine at 280. I don't want to completely fry it, and I find that works. 2-inch sections of hair. You can see at the top, that will leave a kink in the hair. So I place it down and then kind of turn it vertical. Make sure to find that groove I was in last and place the top one in that groove so that I get a perfect sequence, because it doesn't look quite right. I can use a straightener on here to straighten it. I actually did this the other day and really liked that curl because it kind of looked more like a beachy wave. And I'll just repeat the process. Clamp, vertical, back down in that groove, and then you can see when you're done with the hair. At the very end, I'll use some products in it and kind of fluff it up and finish it. Clamp, vertical. You can see it a little better straight on like that. We have our first layer. Brush it out. I like to just apply it in my hands first. I can evenly disperse it a little bit better. I want these curls to start close to my scalp because I want to kind of look like I have naturally curly hair and or beach waves, but starting it here on hair that's my length doesn't quite look as intentional. I feel like you won't end up with as many. So if you have shorter hair, start up higher. If you have longer hair, you can start lower. Again, going pretty close to my scalp because I want my hair to look like I have naturally curly hair, kind of. Last section over here. Can't hold this iron with my other hand. This is the last, well, second last section. Same thing up top. Those are the waves. As you can tell, it takes like a minute. Super easy to do. Now I'm going to give you my product and styling tips. I like how this looks with the center part. I really would wear it like this, but I do think a side part, kind of like not as distinct line, like a side part, just like a floof over like this, looks a lot more current. It looks more stylish. It just has more of a vibe to it. I'm not gonna make an actual line. I did this the other day and it kind of just wore down and kind of had like a, not zigzag, but just an uneven part, kind of undone and messy. But add a little texture to the hair. I'm using this Ouai super dry shampoo because I really love the smell. So I like adding either like a dry shampoo like this or texturizing spray because it just adds more grit to the hair and to the roots. That is always welcome. I really like the backcombing with a blunt cut. I kind of like to backcomb underneath the hair actually because then it doesn't make it frizzy on top, but it still adds volume. Beautiful beach waves, you may as well add that volume. Add it with some hairspray. This is the Leonor Greyl voluforme hairspray, so that will just kind of set my hair in place for the day and keep that volume in that I worked hard for. This is my final look using my cutie Mermade waver. Honestly, these are the quickest and easiest hair waves to put in the hair. It's my current updated way of doing it. with my new hairstyle, but also I think it's very current and stylish updated version. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at hall_ward. I post every single week here on YouTube. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there at the same handle at hall_ward. I will leave all the products used down below, and I think I do have a discount code for this waiver, so I will leave that down for you as well. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you next time.